at EXCON 2025, South Asia's premier construction equipment exhibition. Tata Motors, India's largest commercial vehicle manufacturer, reinforced its leadership in construction and infrastructure mobility. Aligned with its theme, Productivity Unleashed, the company unveiled a powerful portfolio of trucks. Leading the line was the Prima E.28K AutoShift, Tata Motors' most powerful tipper, engineered specifically for demanding deep mining applications.
A product with 8.5-liter engine, 1800 Newton meter torque, 375 horsepower, and that too with an auto shift, which gives the least fatigue to the driver.
Also on display were the all-electric Prima E.28K, underscoring the brand's commitment to sustainable mobility, and the Signa 2820.TK CNG, India's first factory-fitted CNG tipper, offering cleaner and more cost-efficient operations. The showcase was further strengthened by a wide range of aggregates, including industrial engines, axles and gensets, highlighting Tata Motors' end-to-end engineering capabilities. With innovation, reliability and sustainability at its core, Tata Motors continues to drive the future of construction mobility in India.